the king of triples F, international business consultant and entrepreneur, a motivational speaker, ray of hope, Abubakar Ahmadu Goni, A.A. Goni, aka The Way Out, joined our YouTube channel, Triples F, Better African's Country.
Hey everyone out there, my name is A.A. Goni, aka The Way Out. And if today is your first time being coming to our channel, kindly hit the subscription button below and turn on the notification. It's absolutely free of charge. And by the way, first of all, I would like to say Happy Independence Day to our fellow Nigerians. But today we are celebrating our independence. Then yet we are dependent. Because we are physically independent but mentally dependent. That's why I would like to share the power of responsibility for us today. Because that responsibility is what makes you mature, not age. But I will talk about one thing. Let us flashback in 1985 and see what happened in between Nigeria and Abu Dhabi. In that time, Abu Dhabi in 1985 is a desert. The only indigenous there are 50,000 people. While Nigeria, we have our own, airways. So now, then in that time, that Abu Dhabi, they are renting planes from Pakistan. But Nigeria, we have our own two airways. But today, today in 36 years, Abu Dhabi now is the fastest growing economic country in the world, while we Nigerians, we are where we are. So how does that metamorphose where it is today is the power of leadership. And by the way, what is that leadership? The leadership is not the title that you carry, is the value that you put to that organization. And leadership is not an appointment, rather is an attainment. And leadership is not taking the lead. Leadership is taking the lead. And leadership is an art and it can be learned. That's why we are here. But we Africans, our problem is we think that that leader are born, or leadership is an inheritance position, or leadership is like an transferable asset. But no, leadership is the product of individual accomplishment. Our problem, we Africans, is that we think that leadership is an transferable asset. That's why a lot of fathers are willing to transfer the leadership to their sons. That's why if you check, our African companies are dying every day by day because the company has been transferred to a son and a daughter that they don't have the manhood and capacity to run the business. For you to know that leadership is acceptance of responsibility, and leadership is influence. Then mind you, responsibility is what makes you mature, not age. Because if you refuse to take responsibility, you will end up as a liability. Responsibilities is not, the game of chance. It's a game of choice. So you have to take responsibility of your own life, because it's do-it-yourself project. Because every great woman and man have gone through beyond sin. While others are playing around, they are busy working around. So take the responsibility of your own life, because no one will come and do it for you. As rich as Dangote is in Africa, in his family we have a lot of poor people there, because he who depends on the inheritance of his father has signed up a poverty unlimited. Take the responsibility of your own life. Don't just balance there, doing nothing, no mission, no vision, no ambition, no agenda, no program, and hope the life will be better. That is not going to work, because no one will do it for you. It's do it yourself project.